What if I told you you could earn a minimum of $50 via your PayPal account every hour? In this video, you'll discover that you can be paid a minimum of $10 for leaving a review for all the applications and software you use on your smartphone. Doesn't matter if you're at home or at work. This is legal, simple, and free. You don't need any money or an initial fee to get started. In this video, I will be sharing in full detail how to go about it, from creating a PayPal account, linking it to your local bank details, how to earn money, and of course, my last secret of how to speed this up and avoid rejected or unpublished review issues. Welcome to our channel, where we share everything that you need to know to hustle from home. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something from it. Is this your first time stumbling on this channel? Why not take a scroll through our other content too? So let's get straight to the point. You can write reviews that will be valuable to companies, and in return, they will help you earn money and transfer it directly into your PayPal account. You need to do software reviews using Capterra. Capterra is an online review platform filled with more than 50,000 plus products and over 1.5 million validated reviews. So don't worry, this is not one of those scams out there. Vendors are able to list their products, and consumers like you and me can leave our honest opinions. Capterra gets paid by vendors for helping them list their products to increase their overall presence. Capterra is always looking for people who can leave a software review on their website in exchange for incentives. Go to Capterra's sign-up page and create an account. Although signing in with your LinkedIn account is highly recommended, if you don't have one, there's no problem. You have to follow the process. Do not skip any step because you might not get paid. Click on the link in the description box to access this page. And relax, you don't need to know anything about the software. There is no need to use them or to pay for it to get registered. There are so many ways to go about it, and of course, I will be sharing them with you step by step. Also, you don't need to be good in English, as this is available to users all over the world. You have over thousands of categories, so be sure to choose something that seemingly interests you and will love to do a review of. After you've chosen a category, move on to the next step of filling up the details required. Fill in some of your personal information, your name, mail, your job title, organization name. For the job title, I recommend you put in freelancer, and for organization name, it can be something you coined out yourself or simply indicate self-employed. Then after that, select any industry of your choice. However, please make sure your detail remains consistent in all reviews to avoid getting rejected. I am sure that's not what you want. We've got to keep the money flowing in for as long as possible, not just for a few days. Now, when you get to how long have you used the software, many options will be displayed. Free trial, less than 6 months, 1 year, etc. For some software, there will be options of 2 weeks, 1 month, and maybe 6 months. I will strongly advise you not to click on the free trial or anything less than 1 month. You won't get paid at all for it. Choose options above 1 month. This is very important because it shows you have a certain quality of experience using the software. Still hanging in there, it's a lot of information, but I will reward you for this. I will be sharing an uncommon tip in choosing a high-paying review, which will be my bonus for you at the end. So, the next column you have to fill carefully will be, how frequently do you use this software? Daily, weekly, or monthly? Of course, the most reasonable option will be weekly, and the very last column, you indicate you are a user since you are the one doing the review and not on behalf of the company. After this stage has been completed, how do you leave a review? If it should be a software or app you are familiar with, then go ahead and drop a review fast. Without hesitation, you might want to ask, what if I don't have a primary idea of the software? All you have to do is copy the name of the software or product and paste it on your Google search dashboard. But before you click on the search, add the word review to the copied software or product name. Let's take an example. You intend to do a review for Wix. Under Google search, we're going to have Wix review and press search. When this is done, many options and reviews will be displayed. You can go through them rapidly to get a random idea of the product or software. It is not recommended to just copy and paste the reviews. You can modify a few words or entirely rewrite them in your own words. These are the secret tips you need to watch out for to avoid rejected reviews and not getting paid. Also, you are free to indicate both positive and negative sides of the product. One has to be realistic. You are not compelled to only write sweet words. Note that each review is subjected to a verification process that can take between 3 to 5 working days to ensure it meets all their guidelines. However, be rest assured that once it is approved and published, you will be rewarded for it. Another powerful secret no one is telling you is that this first review you'll do will be an unpaid review. You will only be paid for your reviews when you are invited to write paid reviews by Capterra. To achieve this, you have to do a sample review on a software or product before doing paid reviews. What does it mean? It means you've got to start by first volunteering to write a review for any software of your choice. First, to speed up the process, this will help Capterra know more about you, evaluate your review against their guidelines, and they will send you an invite faster. Once you do get invited, you can start writing paid reviews. However, note that to prevent your reviewer account from being closed, only a single review is allowed by a reviewer for the same product at any given time. Now, what's the last secret tip? The bonus I will share with you to increase how much you earn and spend less time filling out tons of reviews. All you got to do is choose software or product with around 2,500 or fewer reviews. It doesn't mean that you won't be getting paid if you write a review for popular software, but new or upcoming software and products tend to pay more because they desperately need your reviews to grow their brand and enhance their visibility in the market. The competition is really high out there. You can easily find out the current number of reviews concerning a product, brand, or software by following the same procedure stated earlier. You type the name and add the word review by searching. The numbers will be displayed alongside the reviews stated. Finally, to the big question, how do I get paid? For every review that gets approved by the Capterra team, you will receive a minimum of $5 per review, either by gift cards or to your PayPal account. You will be highlighted by the team, so ensure to fill in the correct email address and regularly check your spam folder. Guess what? You can repeat this as many times as you want. There's no end to it. You have complete control over how much you can earn each day by how many reviews you can generate each day. Other websites that pay for writing reviews are G2 Crowd, Trust Radius, SourceForge, Gartner, Software Reviews, and you can claim your rewards directly on your PayPal account. Do not forget to link your profile on each platform to your PayPal details. If you don't have a PayPal account, you have to create one by clicking on the link in the description section and filling in your details. Make sure your account is verified. Here we are at the end of today's video. Feel free to ask your questions down below, and we're going to be trashing them out in our next video. However, for you not to miss out on any of this, you've got to press the notification bell by the corner, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Stay informed, and see you next time.